Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video is about how to convert text format of date and time to Excel format. For that, simply select the range, then click on data, click on text column, then click on fixed width, click next, click on next. Based on data, you have to select whether it is a date, month, year or month, date, year. Here date, month, year is there, so select it, then click finish. Now our date is okay. We can able to check it here. Okay, this is perfect. After that, we have to change it to time. Again, select it, data, the same way. Only thing is you have to change, click on other, then put next. Destination should be C2. Okay, perfect. Here we want to convert to time. For that simple formula, time, hour, minute, second. That's all. This is done. You just add date and time. Simply just copy. Now we can able to check any format we can change. If you want short, you can do that. If you like this video, please share it, comment it. Please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.